In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to install MassMatrix web-based search engine on your Windows PC. In order to install MassMatrix on your PC, you will have to download the package. After you download the package on your computer, double-click the package to run it, and then follow the instructions in the wizard. Click Next. You'll have to accept the agreement before you can move forward. And then you can direct the installation to wherever you want. If the folder already exists, you will have to confirm to override that folder. And also, the wizard will ask you if you want to also install Python and Apache. Python and Apache are required to for you to run MassMatrix web server. So if you do not have Python or Apache installed on your computer, you'll have to choose both. And if you have Python or Apache already installed, then you can unselect one of them or both of them. Then click Next. In this section, it will ask you if you want to customize server configuration or not. If you have advanced knowledge about HTTP server, and also you have multiple MassMatrix web servers installed on one computer, then you probably want to click this to customize the server configuration. If you do not know anything about HTTP server and you only have one server installed on computer, normally, which is always the case, you don't have to worry about this. Just click Next and then click Install. And now it's going. It's going to take a while. Still going. Still going. Right now it's installing all the databases. The IPI IPI protein databases are automatically installed, and you also add faster databases to the server after you install a server. It's almost done. Almost done. Okay. Now, because I chose to install Apache and Python also, because I don't have them right now on my computer, then it will direct you to install Apache and Python on your computer. This is the installation wizard for Apache. I click Next. Then I have to accept the agreement for Apache. Click Next. Over here, you have to type in the network domain name and the server name and your email address. If you do not have any information about if you do not want this your computer to be a public server, then you can just type in localhost as a network name, server name to be a localhost 2, and email address. You can type in whatever you want. It does not have to be a real email address. Okay, then click Next. And click Next. Click Next to install Apache HTTP server. It's almost done. This part is pretty quick. So, installation of Apache is still going. It's gonna probably take one more minute. Okay, installation seems done, and right now Apache is configuring your computer. Okay, and then you click Finish to finish the installation of Apache. Then, because I chose also to install Python, it's gonna direct me. Right now, it's directing me to install Python. This is Python installation wizard. Click Next. I can just accept all the default settings to install Python. it looks like very quick. For the Python installation, you can just accept all the default settings. If you already have Python installed on your computer, then you don't have to install the Python again. Still going. Okay, now the Python installation is finished. Now MassMatrix is configuring your computer, and then it will ask you to restart the computer or not. In order to make the MassMatrix working properly, you will have to restart the computer. Okay, then you choose yes, restart the computer, and finish. Then the computer will be restarted. Because in order to save time for this tutorial, I'm not gonna restart the computer. I'm gonna just don't restart the computer. And now MassMatrix is installed. And if you look at the icon tray over here, you'll have two things. One is MassMatrix Search Monitor running over here, and the other one is that the Apache server running over here. And after you install MassMatrix, then you can access the server at localhost MassMatrix / yeah. Now this is server, and then you can log in with the administrator account. The default username for the administrator is admin, and the password, initial password is mm1234, and you can log in. Before you can actually perform MassMatrix searches, you'll have to request a license file. In order to do that, you can just go to Start, All Programs, and MassMatrix Server. Just click on the Get License Key, and a window will pop up like this. And then make sure you copy this license key and send it to this email address, and then you will receive a license installation package. After you receive the license installation package, you unzip that package, and the package will contain a couple of files. You can just click on the program named install license in the package. Then it will install MassMatrix license on your computer, and then one window will pop up that says MassMatrix license has been successfully installed, which is good. Then you click OK, and now you're ready to use MassMatrix search engine. So let's take a look. Search, which is going to direct you to the search page, and if you go to admin, that's the administration of the server, and you can check over here, click the license, and yes, I have a valid license. That means I can do searches on this server. And that's it for about how to install MassMatrix. Oh, there's one more thing. If you want to uninstall MassMatrix, go to All Programs, go to MassMatrix Server, and click on Install. That's it. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.